Dear friends, in continuation of my previous videos on ashtang yoga, today I am going to record a video on samadhi, the eighth limb of ashtang yoga by Rishi Patanjali. Samadhi is often understood to be the final stage of yogic practices. Some school of thoughts explain samadhi as a state of intense meditation or the ultimate spiritual experience. These days, you will find various individuals claiming to have their own system of teaching samadhi techniques, giving some names on their own to their system. But how much they work and what is the basis behind these systems, I don't want to comment on this. But one thing I can definitely tell you, that there is no methodology of learning or performing samadhi. Samadhi is not a practice which can be learned or taught as a methodology. It's a spiritual state of mind which can be achieved only when you get connected to the universe. Then it can be at any place or at any stage of life. As I told you that samadhi is the eighth and final limb of Patanjali's ashtang yoga. Samadhi, out of all the 8 limbs, is associated with the spiritual enlightenment and the realization of the study of the self. It can be achieved after implementing the techniques of 7 limbs of ashtang yoga in your practical life, which already I have explained in my previous videos. Still, I will repeat these 7 limbs of the yoga: yam, the ethical conduct; niyam, the self-discipline; asan, postures; pranayam, breath control; pratyahar, the withdrawal of the senses; dharana, concentration; and dhyan, the meditation. Some people believe that it is a state of zero thoughts, which according to me, it cannot be attained. According to my opinion, having this thought by itself that you are experiencing the stage of zero thoughtfulness, it by itself is a thought. Now let me share some specific beliefs on yoga by the different school of thoughts. Buddhism believes that samadhi is an essential aspect of noble eightfold path which leads to enlightenment. Jainism believes that samadhi is a state of spiritual liberation and detachment from the material world. The enlightened soul who ever had a chance to experience the state of samadhi often describes it as an indescribable state of bliss, inner peace, and profound clarity. It's a state where the boundaries between the self and the entire universe dissolve, resulting in a sense of oneness with all existence. Samadhi is not just a meditative state, but also a transformative experience that brings about a deep inner transformation and the spiritual awakening. To my understanding, for logical interpretation and understanding of samadhi, we have to get into the etymology of the word samadhi. Samadhi is a summation of 2 words, sam plus adi. Sam in Hindi means to be balanced, to be uneven, or to be unaffected, and the adi means to get used to. So, the yogic interpretation is the achieving a state of mind where you stay unaffected or balanced under any circumstances, whether favorable or unfavorable for you. So, my dear friends, all those seekers of the mental state of samadhi must put their efforts into living the yogic way of life as explained by Rishi Parashari, rather than getting the deceptive information from the non-authentic sources. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Thanks for watching my video.